The question is integration of sin 2x upon a square sin square x plus b square cos square x dx. Now let a square sin square x plus b square cos square x is equal to t. Okay, denominator right here now. Differentiating with respect to x, a square with 2 sin x cos x plus b square with 2 cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Okay, so now this becomes what? A square with sin 2x minus b square with sin 2x is equal, dx is equal to dt. Now sin 2x a square minus b square dx is equal to dt, or sin 2x dx is equal to dt upon a square minus b square. Now we can substitute in place of sin 2x dx, we can put it dt upon a square minus b square. So now we are having, by substituting, 1 upon a square minus b square integration of dt upon t. Sin 2x dx is what? Dt upon a square minus b square. Now this becomes 1 upon a square minus b square log mod of t plus c. 1 upon a square minus b square log, now t was what? A square sin square x plus b square cos square x plus c, answer. Like this we can move it.